that's the problem. Once I saw that, there was no saying no. I had no excuse not to. Nice wheelie. All right, Mike, I'm going up. Be a little buzzy, but it'll be all right. It's a lot noisier than it was. Maybe I'll balance it here. We'll see.
That's why they got the V2 of that motor now.
Right. No, it's all right. I'll go after you. I had balanced it already, but it came undone. Well, it does to me because I'm a perfectionist, but it really isn't that bad. It's actually okay. It's better than it was stock. Whoa, you see that? You almost took out a hawk, Mike.
God, that sound is amazing.
It sounds bad to me.
Oh, the motor doesn't sound good with the air rushing through it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm not worried about you. Do your thing. I'll let you know what I'm going to do.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
That's just what it does. It's really cool, too. I like it. I'm doing a pass, Mike, but don't worry. I'll be away from you. I'd say it's probably 85% balanced. It could be better.
You ever lose orientation because of the lighting?
Sometimes. Usually happens when it gets darker.
Landing!
Okay.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 1 minute. Flaps up.
Release for days, boys! Release for days! I hate to say it, Mike, but that was a good landing.
Very good landing, Mike.
Thank you.
All right, fast pass from the right.
30 seconds.
Wow, elevator is very touchy.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Gear down. 3, 2.
Okay, landing.
Time expired. Landing flaps.
Whoa. Oh, wow, it took the wheels off the ground. That was weird. I pushed down elevator and the rear wheels came off the ground. That was weird. I guess the elevator still works at low speed, so. Cool plane, I like it. Even with it being a little buzzy, I can still deal with it.